Hey guys, today, as you could see by the title, we're just gonna be fishing. Haven't done that in a while. Posted a video yesterday. Sorry I haven't posted in a while though, besides that one yesterday, but that wasn't very much. Yeah, it's only as poop in the morning. It's poop in the morning right now. And I'm gonna go fishing. It's probably around somewhere like 7, 8, or 9. So yeah, we're gonna go fishing at the pond. And yeah. Sorry about that. Hopefully maybe we can catch some carp, but I'm thinking about bluegill and stuff, and I might even do catch and cook. Who knows? See you when I get down there. Also guys, couple more things. Comment down below if you want to see me carp fish again or bass fish. I am going catfishing. Probably maybe some bowfin, maybe even some big, big carp too, maybe this weekend. So, be ready for that, but I'll see you when we're down there. Okay, so, we've been having a lot of thunderstorms. I don't know if that's going to do anything to the fishing, if it's going to make it better, or if it's gonna make it worse, or if it's just gonna be the same. But I'm probably not gonna be catching carp. Might have a chance to hook into a turtle. I have a good chance to do that. Just make sure to like and subscribe and share this with all your friends and stuff. Yeah, because to be honest, school is starting. You know, who likes school? No one. If you like school, then who are you? That's, yeah. It's Sunday right now, so I got school tomorrow. So that's gonna suck. Yeah, I got a soccer game today. I had a soccer game yesterday too. Actually won, I think like 11-0, I think we won. I scored a goal. Well, actually, so soccer, this is gonna be rolling, so you can skip ahead until when I go fishing. But if you do want to hear this, then watch, obviously. But in soccer, the last person to touch it. So say I play for Red Arrow, right? And we are playing against, I don't know, we'll call my team the red team and their team the blue team. Or actually they are white. Okay, red team versus white team. Last person to touch it on the red team gets the goal if it goes in. See, this is what happened. Kid on my team named Sawyer. He crossed it over to me. I got a touch in. I was about to shoot it, and this kid on his own team ran over, tried to block it, but hit it in his own goal. But I was the last player on the red team to touch it, so it's my goal. See? That was my second game this season. My first one, we won 8-1. And I scored a goal, but it was offsides. So yeah. That was cool. But, see you when we're on the spot. Guys, there are literally fogs like everywhere. I'm sure there's some fogs up here. Maybe I can show them to you. Oh, this one jumped. Okay. But, we'll put some worm on the hook, and we're gonna try to catch some of these little guys, so I'll see you when something happens. Okay, well, something not so good just happened. Look at my worms. Yep, they're all dead. I mean, I have been in my fridge for like a month, so I don't blame them for being dead, but I'll go find my own worms. No big deal. Whatever. Okay. See you after I'm done with my worm hunt. Guys, the hunt is still on for worms. Have not found any yet. It's not the easiest today. Oh! Okay guys, look. No. Come back here. Come back here. Put you in the cup. Oh my god. Guys, I just found like the biggest flipping worm ever. It's split into 2 pieces. Look. Let's try and move my thumb. Dude, look at that. And he split into 2 pieces too. There's that one little piece. Woo! I'm definitely keeping him. Okay, I'll see you when we got some better progress. Guys, just found another giant worm. Not as big, but still pretty big. There he is. You can see he's pretty long though. Put him in a cup. And I'm not gonna pause for every single worm now. I'm just gonna get like a couple more and then we're gonna go fishing. Okay guys, we got 4 worms. If you need any more, come back. But I got 2 really big ones. This is gonna make some fish candy right here. Oh, that one really big guy that I caught. The first one, I'm trying to get out. Oh god, woo! Just blew him back into the cup. They eat it. Okay, sorry this video's gonna take a little bit. I don't know what you guys like though, because I know people actually do watch these videos. I ask you guys to comment on them. I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but never really comment on them. So I don't really know what you like. So if you're getting tired of watching me go dig up worms and you just want to see me fishing, then go comment back. It's like simple as that, right? Right? Yeah, simple as that. So I'll see you when I do something. Okay guys, this is gonna be my first cast. I should be able to catch something pretty quick. I mean, there's small bluegill all over this place, so shouldn't be too hard. I normally would just let it sit there on the bottom, maybe twitch it around a little bit, you know, to let them know it's there. Ooh. Oh, dude, fridge me. Broke my line already. And I bring in extra hooks. Looks like we're gonna have to go venture back up to the house and get some more hooks. Sucks. Okay, well, I'm gonna put the lid on these guys so they don't crawl out. Come on. There's bugs all over me. I got prickles on me. Come on, this isn't fair. Prickles on me. Sacrifices must be made. Okay, let's go to the house. Hopefully no one steals my stuff. Has been spotted. Oh, Total has disappeared. Okay, I'm sure you're getting tired of just watching me walking, so see you when we're there. Okay guys, we're up here at the house. There's literally about, I'd say 6 or 7 squirrels surrounding me, so this is good. So they're having a mission to hunt me down. Well, that'd be a good idea. Hunting squirrels. Hashtag kind of great stuff. Yeah. Waddle. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you stuff. Yeah. See when we got the hooks. Gonna open the tackle box up right here. out. Okay, we're gonna take my boots off so I can step forward and not get mud everywhere. Okay. Now where are my hooks? There's some swivels. There's some more swivels. I need hooks, not swivels. Where are my hooks? Got a big couple thing hooks. Here they are. Okay, we got some hooks. Oh, okay, that's nice. There's a frog in here that's missing a leg. Here's the other leg. Okay, that's in there. That's in there. And, that's in there. Okay, interesting. And take all those out. And now we can head back down to the pond. Comment down below if you want to see a YouTube channel with my mom called Wild Mom Outdoors. Yeah. I think that'd be a good idea. She's really good at fishing. So yeah. I think it'd be awesome for we to have a channel called Wild Mom Outdoors. I mean, that's a pretty ingenious idea. I don't know about you, but I see when we're down there. Okay, guys, just hit the 12-minute mark, so bye. No, I'm just kidding. Part 2. Oh, you know, I should make a part 2. That'd be a good idea. Bye.